Not all grains are created equal, and it can be confusing to know the difference. Whole grains are made up of 3 parts: the bran, germ, and endosperm. Refined grains have been milled, which is a process that removes dietary fiber, vitamins, and essential nutrients. The Dietary Guidelines for Americans recommends that we eat half of our grains as whole grains, so choose whole grains whenever possible. Here are a few tips to help you out. First, don't be fooled by color. Just because something is brown does not mean it's whole grain. Always look for the 100% whole grain stamp. That assures you that in that serving of food, there's 100% whole grains. And third, always look at the nutrition facts label. You want to look for whole grain or whole wheat as the first ingredient to assure that that product is 100% whole grain. For some of my favorite ways to add more whole grains to your diet, read our blog at extension.msstate.edu and join our Nutrition and Wellness Facebook group. Thanks for watching.